Good morning to everybody. I think every students are very happy because online teaching is going. May God bless you, every students. First of all, here it is group activity. First fill in the book, then write in your copy. Okay. Listen very carefully. First fill in the books, then write in your copy. Okay. Planets, distance from the sun, revolution time around the sun, time taken to complete rotation on its axis, known satellite. Okay. Mercury, 58 kilometer. 58 kilometer. Okay, 58 kilometer. Revolution time around the sun, 88 days. Time taken to complete rotation on its axis. I have written dash, write in dash in your book. Known satellite 0. Okay. There is no satellites of Mercury. Venus, 108 kilometer. 108 kilometer. Number of days, 225 days. Dash, known satellite 0. Earth, 150 kilometer. 365, 1/4 days. Dash 1. Mars, MARS, 228, 687 days. Dash, known satellite 2. How many satellites are there in Mars? 2. How many satellites are there in Earth? 1. Jupiter is the largest planet. You already know. Jupiter, 778 kilometer, 11.9 years, dash 63 satellites. Can you imagine? 63 satellites in Jupiter. It is the largest planet. Saturn, 1427 kilometer, 29.5 years, dash 47 satellites. Uranus, 2869, 84 years, dash 18 satellites. Neptune, 4496, 165 years, dash 18 satellites. Okay. So again I am going to tell you, correct your book, then write in your copy. Planets, distance from the sun, revolution time around the sun, time taken to complete rotation on its axis, known satellites. Mercury, 58 kilometer. Revolution time around 88 days. Time taken, dash, known satellite 0. Venus, 108, 225 days, dash 0. Earth, 150, 365, 1/4 days, dash 1. Mars, 228, 687 days, dash 2. Jupiter, 778, 11.9 years, dash 63. Saturn, 1427, 29.5 years, dash 47. Uranus, 2869, 84 years, dash 18. Neptune, 4496, 165 years, dash 18 satellites. Okay, now you should complete in your copy. First, open your copy in front of you. You can write in your book also. It is extra activity. We should complete it. Mercury, characteristics of the planets. What is the spelling of characteristics? CHARACTERISTICS. Characteristics of the planets. Mercury, 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 dash smallest, SMALLEST. Venus, hottest, Earth unique. Earth is a unique planet. UNIQUE. Mars red. Jupiter largest. Saturn second largest. Uranus third largest. Neptune blue planet. Blue giant, GIANT, blue giant. Again I am going to tell you Mercury, characteristics of the planets, write in your copy. Mercury smallest, Venus hottest, Earth unique, Mars red, Jupiter largest, Saturn second largest, Uranus third largest, Neptune blue planet. I shall now give you some notes from other book. Here see extra question. Write extra question in your copy. Long question I had already told 1A, 6A, B, C, D. I will tell you after some next classes. Okay. Now, number 1, difference between stars and planets. It is first write extra question. 1, difference between stars and planets. Stars left hand side, planets right hand side. 1, stars are made up of hot and burning gases. Stars are made up of hot and burning gases. Number 1, planets are made up of rocks. Okay. Stars are, again I am going to tell you, number 1, stars are made up of hot and burning gases. Here number 1, planets are made up of rocks. Point number 2, stars are very big. Opposite answer 2, planets are very small. Again I am going to tell you point number 2, stars are very big. Here point number 2, planets are very small. Point number 3, there are millions of stars. Point number 3, planets are only 8. You already know that there are 8 planets in solar system. Point number 4, stars twinkle. Here planets do not twinkle. Stars twinkle, 4, planets do not twinkle. Number 2, give reason and explain Mercury. Okay, why Mercury? Give reason and explain Mercury. It is closest to the sun, so it is one of the hottest planets. It takes least time, bracket 88 days to complete one revolution. The question is, why Mercury is called hottest planet? Why Mercury? Why is Mercury? Give reason and explain Mercury. It is closest to the sun, so it is one of the hottest planets. Full stop. It takes least time, 88 days to complete one revolution. So Mercury is the hottest planet because it is closest to the sun and it takes least time, 88 days to complete one revolution. Question number 3. Name some of the Indian satellites in space. Name some of the Indian satellites in space. Answer. Insert INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT. Again I am going to tell you INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT, are the some of the Indian satellites in space. Name some of the Indian satellites in space. Question 4. Name 2 astronomers, ASTRONOMERS, Name two astronomers of the 5th century. Name two astronomers of the 5th century. Answer: Aryabhatta and Barahmir Mira are the two astronomers of the 5th century. Again, I am going to tell you. Name two astronomers of the 5th century. Aryabhatta and Barahmir are the two astronomers of the 5th century. Okay. Question 5. Name the largest planet. Name the largest planet. You already know because I had explained it. Answer: Jupiter is the largest planet. Question 6. Name the brightest planet. Venus is the brightest planet. So, okay, I think you have already written everything for extra question. Now, again I am going to revise. Name, tick the correct answer. If any students has not written, please correct it today. I had already told, tick the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true or false. In last classes, again I am going to tell you. Tick the correct answer. A. The galaxies formed due to a tremendous explosion called Big Bang will be the correct answer. Okay. Point number B. Again I am going to tell. I had already told you in previous classes. All the objects in the sky are called heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies. Question C. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Again I am going to tell you. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Sun. 4. How many constellations are known so far? 88. Number E. The large holes on the moon's surface are called craters. CRATERS. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Number 2. A dash is a heavenly body that is self-luminous. I had already told you in the previous classes. Again I am going to tell you, fill in the blanks. 2A. A dash star is a heavenly body that is self-luminous. B. The dash is the head of the solar family. Sun. The sun is the head of the solar family. Number C. Dash and dash are the main gases that make up the sun. Hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. Number D. All the planets are dash in shape. Number D. All the planets are dash in shape. Geoid. GEIOD. Number E. The moon's surface is dash and covered with dash. Rocky and covered with dust. ROCKY True or false? 3A. Write T for true and A for false statement. 3A. A constellation may have a million stars. False. Okay. Number B. The moon is a natural satellite of planet. True. Number C. The Ceres is the largest asteroid. True. Number D. Meteorite was last seen in France 1996. False. Number E. There are 9 planets in our solar system. False. Because we know that there are 8 planets. Again I am going to tell you, just revision it. Can you tell me how many planets are there? There are 8 planets in solar system. Okay. Now today I will tell you some new terms you should write in your copy for learning subject. For learning you should write. I will tell you some new terms from another book. Okay. Now you can see here. Now you can see here new terms to learn. Okay. New terms to learn. new terms to learn. It is from another book. You should write. I will tell you very slowly and slowly that you will be no suffer. You will no face suffer. Space. First write new terms to learn in your copy. New terms to learn. Write in your copy. Space. 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 SPACE dash a limitless vacuum VACC. Sorry. Again I am going to tell you. Space. A limitless vacuum, also called the universe. Okay. A limitless vacuum, comma, also called the universe. Again I am going to tell you. Don't write any wrong thing. Space. A limitless vacuum VACUUM or VACWM, comma, also called the universe. Again I am going to tell you. Space. A limitless vacuum, comma, also called the universe. Galaxy. 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 A cluster of millions of stars. A cluster of millions of stars. A cluster of millions of stars. Okay. Stars. Stars. Celestial bodies which produce their own heat and light. The sun is a star. Again I am going to tell you. Stars. Celestial bodies which produce their own heat and light. The sun is a star. So I had already told you three things: space, galaxy, stars. Space, again I am going to tell you, a limitless vacuum, comma, also called the universe. Galaxy, a cluster of millions of stars. A cluster of millions of stars. Stars, celestial bodies which produce their own heat and light. The sun is a star, comma, the sun is a star. Sun. The closest star to the earth, around which all the 8 planets and other members of solar system revolves. Again I am going to tell you. Sun dash the closest star to the earth, around which all the 8 planets and other members of solar system revolves. Okay. Number 5, solar system. Solar system. SOLAR, solar system. SYSTEM dash the sun and all the celestial bodies revolving round it. Solar system, the sun and all the celestial bodies revolving round it. Again I am going to tell you. Solar system, the sun and all the celestial bodies revolving round it. Celestial bodies, CELESTIAL, planets dash heavenly bodies going around the sun, full stop. Heavenly bodies going around the sun, full stop. They do not have their own heat and light. You already know that planets do not have their own heat and light. Again I am going to tell you. Planets dash heavenly bodies going around the sun. They do not have their own heat and light. Again I am going to tell you, planets, heavenly bodies going around the sun, full stop, they do not have their own heat and light. Planets, I had already told you, satellite, 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 small celestial body revolving around a planet. Small celestial body revolving around a planet. Again I am going to tell you, satellite, small celestial body revolving around a planet. What is the spelling of celestial? CELESTIAL, celestial. Constellation, CONSTELLATION, constellation. Again I am going to tell you, CONSTELLATION, constellation. Dash, stars arranged in a definite pattern. Stars arranged in a definite pattern. PATTERN. Stars arranged in a definite pattern. PATTERN. Okay. Exist. Next. Imaginary. Dash. Exist. AXIS. What is the meaning of exist? New terms. AXIS. Dash. Imaginary. IMAGINARY. Imaginary line joining the poles and center of a planet on which it rotates. Again I am going to tell you, exist, AXIS, imaginary line joining the poles and center of a planet on which it rotates. ROTATES, rotates. Asteroids, ASTEROIDS. You should write in your copy. I will check your copy when the school will be open. Okay. ASTEROIDS, asteroids. ASTEROIDS. Dash, a swarm, SWARM, a swarm of small rock pieces revolving around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Okay. Again I am going to tell you, asteroids, ASTEROIDS, dash, a swarm, SWARM, a swarm of small rock pieces revolving around the sun between the orbits, ORBITS, orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Mars, capital letter, MARS, capital letter, Mars, capital letter, MARS, and Jupiter, JU, J also capital letter, JUPITER. Meteoroids, 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 dash, small pieces, PIECS, small pieces of rock, and dust, DUST, that burn when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. EARTH apostrophe S, EARTH apostrophe S, ATMOSPHERE. So Today, what are the new terms to learn?